What's up, everybody? I just want to talk to you guys real quick about free websites. Have you guys ever tried to make a free website? There's a number of different places that say you can do it. There's GoDaddy, Wix, tons of these different website builders that say they're free, but then I don't know. Personally, I've encountered all kinds of problems with them. Like one of the main ones being they tell you get a free account, you log in, you spend hours making your site, you make it perfect exactly how you want. You think this is awesome, it's super easy to use, only to find out that when you actually want to make your site live, that's when you have to pay. And that's how they sucker you in. You've already invested all this time. Now you feel, oh, well, I might as well pay for it. I'm going to have to pay somewhere. Nothing's really free. So that's one problem I've encountered. Another problem I've encountered is because they're free, kind of you get what you pay for. And sometimes you might find one that actually is free, but the website is clunky. It doesn't load fast. It doesn't have all the features you want, or whatever it is. So I just want to take a second and tell you guys about this new software I found that is currently looking for beta testers, and because of that, they're letting people use it free for life. And what I mean by free is it's totally free, no upsells or anything like that. You don't even need a credit card to sign up. You just put your email in and they let you create a free account, and you actually can make 3 websites for free, which is super cool. And now, just to be completely straightforward, if you want your own domain name, which is basically your free website is going to be yourname.freewebsiteservice.com. But if you wanted it to just be yourname.com or yourbusiness.com, you could buy a domain name, and that's going to cost you about $8 a year. I'd recommend using a service like Namecheap, but there's tons of them. GoDaddy is another one. There's tons of them out there. But anyways, so yeah, you will have to pay the $8 to $10 a year for your website, but come on, let's get real. $10 a year to have an online presence and let people know what you're all about. That's a super low fee. So anyways, I made a quick website so you can remember and find this easily if you're not at home right now. And the website is reallyfreewebsite.com. So if you're looking to get a free website, whether it's for your side hustle, for your small business, just for your resume, maybe you're looking for a new job, whatever it is, I want to invite you to check out reallyfreewebsite.com. And like I said, you'll just put in your email address and you'll have access to beta test some of the most powerful sales software that I've found that's going to let you build sales funnels. It's going to let you build landing pages. You can upgrade and pay for more advanced features and build membership sites, and do those surveys and quizzes that you see everywhere. And there's some really powerful tools that could boost your business, so I'd recommend checking it out. And I will catch you on the next video.